I now know how to use a width profile and a brushed stroke. All of these objects are paths. I can, for example, change the width of all of these. Sometimes I need to change the strokes to outlines. Changing the line to be an outline can be done from Object, Path, Outline Stroke. Now the outlines of the strokes are drawn on the forms. The line done with the profile is neat, but the brushed lines are quite confusing. This is not that problematic. If I want, I can meld these forms together with the Pathfinder's Unite command. Now I only have one outline. Illustrator also has a tool that creates surfaces right away. This tool is called the Blob brush tool, and it's on the same pile with the paintbrush. You need to define a tip, and it paints that just like the paintbrush tool. The difference is that when I release the line, Illustrator unites the path together to become one form. If I continue on painting with the same color, these forms are automatically united. So the Blob brush is faster than the paintbrush, but it's not as editable. A good pair for the Blob brush is the Eraser tool. It's a blob brush that removes the surface. If I have an object selected, the Eraser tool only erases that object. If I have nothing selected, the eraser erases all of the forms. The Eraser tool also has features. The easiest way to access these is double-clicking on the Eraser tool in the tool panel. In this menu, you can, for example, add a pressure sensitivity to the Eraser tool. This is how the Blob brush and the Eraser tools work.